some will appear boncha because the Bible is a storybook and all mekai. It is a Bible a storybook now and the govern your Bible. Now what bridge Bible no. Bible now condemn the Bible now say you maintain. Ancient what the Osofo bisa won say is he a truly a man of God?
Ebusiafo say no Osofo kire Abosom ode ensem na ye den enenam iti otu say interview a wokom na ye bisa nsem no ye bisa ne say anya bia oji Yesu Kristo do so oji Yesu Kristo di nanso Yesu Kristo enye wono ene Nyankopon adenti na woka se enye Yesu Kristo ene Nyankopon wo se sanko no ne Nyankopon anka obeka se eja mo fanche won da bi woka Ebremia John the Baptist Ebrebi ono no ka che Yesu Kristo se won papa ya wo be me to me po enfa me nsa enso ne pobo anu po enye den ensane ono so na bo de su ene o ka se ebuburo ebesi ne bos ne so a e kire se we ni Nyankopon edoba no edu bebi na o hye fiase no no asa bi ka se mon ko bisa sa papa ne se ono ni Nyankopon ono ni dia Nyankopon na yeso obeba na na kire se come on Yesu Kristo no enyu won ene Nyankopon Osofo Abosom etoa so eka se hwema meka bibi nchiro in the 19s no in the 80s no in the 80s no bi bae ena papa bi bae research in Africa or ye research to Africa no call UK Parliament ena wo ka se hwe mako Africa na mako se Africa yan bokro no ewo ho omo respect on culture and on spirituality very very good as anyome bia ye hu America anu no ana UK no je hu bi wasankofo we krom it answer na ye be konkofo we no we have to do as much as possible to conquer and destroy their backbone sa on spiritual belief on culture no ye degrade no ne ye seno ediku fom kura ne ye tumi ewi o makoma it Bible na yakonya no ye mfa ne enko kan kire o mo se so mo believe ya eyanfo ba ireti baby a friend den heaven not just said these people knew whatever they were doing say Israel fo mpo nim Nyankopon kra na yetro ya they also took advantage say until they were enslaved no they had to go and bring that to come and break our backbone because any sign no man here den ebu obra it yemfa hye yetrim agrofofo omo ebedi Bible no ebedada nanso munso amantwe ya say Yesu Kristo ni Nyankopon enye wono ene Nyankopon ono oba asase so no obeye dio obetumi aye ene waba so wabeye wie nti yen hu sa nyoma no ebusuafo ma yenkotie ensem a Osofo Abosom ekekan
mu emeti ordinary say oti we ha ba mi wo gidi wonyame mu se de odi atene mi mu no so eburade nyina so nti tumi nyina brase so ka se mu ya asase so nyame what I say wan ka se bibi fufuru bi nti Yesu Kristo ka se me kono wa bedi medie na nkoko no betena mu a wan ka se Yesu betena mu
bana ka se udi Yesu din na etutu ana
obo Yesu din you can make reference to Abraham nyame Jecob nyankopon Israel nyankopon Yesu Kristo edin mu it can work
Yesu nyame
Yesu weda nyame enko nyame enko ka se eja fache wo eja be no refer to oh yeah
but obase nyame na dan na ho se no ma nyinse no babunu nyinse no wo se nipasu
ye kan se mi nyina kire me obi abamu nyinse me nyini pa na wo me am I not the same
it's special oba won fa be ma da
ofa
na onkoko na be share na nyim
obi na ka sa me kire ye ni obi enano wo mo ye na ese na we ye ese yakeka sa story we nyina kire ye se ate ye bring ye experience ni hu sampa tumi bi wo hana na mo say John the Baptist esuma me ko bisa excuse say wonu Yesu na ye hwefro obi a wo na abo na su ema buburu free soro mo na mo kai yo ebesi na beti e ka se we ni me doba osumani e de no kuru ya sa kokko bisa Yesu say wonu Yesu na ye hwefro nye John the Baptist ya na no ni Andrew na mo ka se papa ya wo bai ne mpabo mpo mitimi mfa me sansane de no sa so ma ko mukubusa ne se onu ni Yesu na ntwa wofro intimate controversial there are so many things in the Bible that I don't believe what I say when you sit down and look at say ya chomu say akwa bro ho ase e ma ho na mura no na Bible kuru ya so aka say so bi bakri so mu a o ya body fofo nya akwa bi ɛna akɔ abɛyɛ ho asɛm na moka nti nyina mmorɔfo no ntwerɛtwerɛ ne naadaa nanom bɛdaadaeɛ nanso no ɛfunu no abi yɛne ate
wow
nti sɛ nyame de yɛyɛ adwuma
nti mefa bible nnɛ na mese megye yesu di megye ngungu di na mepreachi sɛ ne preachi nyame bɔ
ɛno deɛ
na ketua brɛnkɔfoɔ sɛ ne nimu mateɛ
ɛno deɛ asɛm na ɛyɛ ɔdɛ ɛna wafa na ɔkeka bi die
the evangelist keka ɔmu nya keka
ɔfa mese mepakyɛ ɔti o sɛ ɔmo tena ase na ɔmo hwɛ yɛabrabɔ a yɛbɔ yi na ɔmo hyɛ ase de kyerɛkyerɛ nkɔfoɔ yɛ bɛta kyɛn so wɔkɔ kenka Matthew chapter 5 Matthew chapter ɛna ɔkɔ nkɔfoɔ kɔkuo no ɛna ɔkɔ bepɔ no so no ɛna ɛyɛ dɛ kɔ bepɔ so no ɛyɛ dɛ ɛnɛ yɛabrabɔ nneɔma kɔsi buroni atena de wɔ yɛabrɛ order to deceive us wonim there was I think it's
so the Bible was meant to deceive
us because wonim there was a letter beer I think
is it King Leopard the letter
very good
King Leopard the second okay Ochoma Belgian king Ochoma no say oba say no hu I think I have the letter
eno kra no na nche yo King Leopard ko ndie no ba ko bi nso ka ho bi mo say go we gave you the gospel to you
okay
we gave you the gospel to go and deceive them tell them that the poor are going to inherit heaven so that
do everything possible
when we yet the opus will be a sabia
make them believe
ye this say so he need dear with the okosoro I think
I have the letter here. Let me read it.
Okay.
We Lord McCarthy address to the British Parliament 2nd February 1835 was I have traveled across the length and breadth of Africa. I have traveled across the length and breadth of Africa, and I have not seen one person who is a beggar, who is a thief. Such wealth I have seen in this country, such high moral values, people of such caliber that I do not think we should ever conquer this country unless we break the very backbone of this nation, which is her spiritual and cultural heritage. And therefore, I propose that we replace her old and ancient education system, her culture, for it is for if the African think that all that is foreign and English is good and greater than their own, they will lose their self-esteem, their native culture, and they will become what we want them. Are truly and will truly dominate them.
Say no one dominate ye. A good father, papa, if it is your father, cotton America, a year London memo. I would say, man can book humanity passy, and the betna or may you so near that you will soon a year at the end of the boy. I do see them way. Which I say, offer, yet you Yaman came and if you make I set down a ton fools work on Tamantono.
What of force can to
offer, but the trousers and semi call TUC anymore. And then trousers and semi call and with t-shirt, Mahangi and Gramaton. Well, that I'm considering school, number 2 me fools, number go to school fees. Now, a boy be a man in our two fools who men came some say, you are Ben so. And I'm saying,
German as Subenke
and a Subenke. What I say, he knows nothing.
You knew she,
yet you me, and me pie bockets and say, Yamimoa, meaning Sammy for this kind of mania.
Ebusiafo na sese uhu ensensem bi se ya na also wa kire wa dwen ene ade this uhu say conversation me cause it becomes a tough moment for the men of God that omo nyame adwumam ebe a wo hwe Osofo Abosom kase ya na wo kase bi a wo make statement and reference or say come on eya na heaven ni hell no mo preaching ade no at the end of the day no it seems to be a fracadam because sorry na wunya wa yare sane sane ya obena. These people are trying to just make money out of you. Now, yeah, I'm simply say, Eba, na ama obi bisa say. So, what should we know? What is the truth? Is the word truly a mystery to all of us? Because as in kofo bebrena di nyaminechi, o kan west, so ono di onam way. Asofo organ na ebi chire because and some no come now they are feeling he has become an antichrist because on Jecob and some nye den na aha and I may do ebesi. Now, so can who say a higher Xposed ye between by any mode. Now, we need I want some no much church say because this makes the generation that is coming more confused and come on a man of 5 young tanta what I say. Into yes, you are na yet didn't some papa baby. ye be pen nkofo a omo nim de no ma be cheto mo na de e de afasa nsensem mo aha e na me de o e be se na me sra wo se subscribe e share video yi so e ye den e mai na so me ka ho se aha e Xposed ye de bia ye si no Ghana and beyond wo pese obo wuduma wo dero ade ben na wo e na wo pese nkofo etin ho asema ai enfro obi a contact Xposed ni embo wuduma wo dero enye den amfama ade e na wo ton dwuma ben e na wo ye ensenye dwuma ben e na wo pese nkofo hu se wunim ye wo ye electrician wo ye constructor den na wo ton contact ye the director de wo be kasa na enyuma egu akrom ya bo onima dero e de amount efo kent aha e na me demo e be si dasene e be si hia makram